Hey, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. Today we are looking at another super important topic that we need to get right, and that is the truth about get rich quick schemes. And I'll be sharing with you what actually works. You see, if you don't get it right from the beginning, even starting a business might be difficult at times, and also investing might be like a get-rich-quick scheme. Why am I bringing this before you? I realize that a lot of people don't understand that wealth building is a process. Building wealth requires process. And why do I need to say that? You need to understand that success is a process. Success is what? Is a process. I believe we've all seen some adverts out there that are promising you how to make thousands of dollars overnight with little or no effort. In fact, there are a lot of YouTube channels or YouTubers who use that strategy to attract you to get views. And one thing that you need to understand about that strategy is that it is to bring you into their channel and get views so that they can be paid. They can get paid by YouTube because their channel is monetized. And I realized that most of these channels have a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, and also views. You are making money for such channel or such YouTubers. I would not want to come to my channel and lure you with title for you to watch and I will be paid. Yes, although my channel is not yet monetized, but I am not after monetization. I am after giving you value. I'm after value, impact, and positive influence. And that is why I used to tell people that this channel, we give it to you the way it should be. Yes, we give it to you the way it should be. So let's get in, because we need to understand that there is nothing like get rich quick scheme. If you are looking for get rich quick schemes, this is not a right channel for you. Like I promised, in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you what works. What works in building wealth. But I'd like us to start with why get rich quick schemes are so appealing. You see, these schemes promise easy money with little effort, which is very, very tempting. If you want to build long-lasting wealth, the best thing to do is to build it gradually. It's a process, like I mentioned earlier. It's a process. Don't fall a victim of get rich quick schemes that promises how to make money easy without without effort. Some will tell you, with $100 make $1 million. Some will even tell you with $100, with $10 you can make, with $30 you can make $500,000, or make $400 in a day, make $1,000 in a day, make $5,000 watching videos alone. Like I said, they are after views to make money. So don't waste your time, because one of the things I realized about watching video is time wasting if that video does not add value to your life. If it doesn't add value to your life, then drop it and be selective about the videos or the YouTube channel that you consume, that you follow. Yes, if they promise heaven and earth, really, who wouldn't want to get rich without, breaking a sweat? A lot of people want to get rich without stress, you understand? But the problem is these schemes often prey on people's desperation and lack of financial knowledge. And that is why you need financial education. If you want to build wealth, you don't want to invest, you want to build business, whatever you want to do, the best investment you need to first of all do is to invest in yourself. You see, these guys that promise heaven and earth, what they are selling, it's just a mere dream. They will whet your appetites, raise your emotion, and at the end of the day hang you somewhere. It is either you are buying something or you are making money for them through views. Did you get that? And in most cases, the only person that is getting rich is the one selling the scheme. There are a lot of schemes that in the past that some of us have heard. In fact, I was once a victim of one. I think when MMM was reigning in Nigeria, a friend of mine introduced it to me, and I said, I'm not interested in this thing. He said, no, people are making money from MMM or whatever. I said, okay. So when the persuasion got to a level, I decided, okay, let me give it a try. And I point my fingers. And there's nothing they can do to it. That is one thing. A lot of people have lost millions of naira. In fact, some have lost thousands of dollars. And at the end of the day, you see, you have nobody to blame for it. You have to blame yourself, because most of these things are just they are just strategy to get you into their system, make money, and shut down whatever strategy or system that they are using. And it is the same approach that they keep using every time they come up. So watch that. Understand that get rich quick schemes are so appealing without the required results. Yes, some people might make money at first. That first get into the system will definitely make money, so that they can bring in more people. And the more people that they bring into the system, the more the promoter of the scheme will be rich, will get richer, will be wealthy. That is the strategy. So now let us look at what actually works. What are those things that actually works? The reality is that real wealth building takes time, effort, and discipline. There is no shortcuts. Real wealth building takes time. It takes effort and discipline. You cannot run away from it. See, if you don't understand that wealth building requires time, effort, and discipline, you will be parting with your money. In fact, your hard-earned money that you should save up to do something good for your life. There is no shortcut to wealth building. Even if you are building a business, or it is investing in stock market, or buying real estate, or doing cryptocurrency, is it forex trading, whatever that you want to do, these methods require knowledge and hard work. You need to know what you are going into. You need to know what you are going into. You can't just wake up one day and say, oh, I am starting a business today. Have you gone through what you're supposed to do? Have you done your due diligence? You make research, do the market research, what is trending? What is it that are not trending? What is it that you want to offer? What is the pain point of your target audience? All these things you need to ask yourself and do the required research. And if you cannot do that, why not get a consultant? Get a consultant that can help you out. And if it is investing, you want to part with your money, you want to go into the stock market, cryptocurrency, forex, whatever, real estate, then do yourself a favor by learning how it works before you put your money in any investment portfolio, because we need the right mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, you will think, oh, this thing is a scam. Meanwhile, it is not a scam, but you don't have the right mindset, you don't have the right knowledge about it, you don't know how this thing is being done, then you can lose your money, because investment is risky. Whatever it is that is called investment, it is risky. Understand that before you part with your money. Understand that, and then have good investment goals. Investment goals, which is, oh, how much am I putting in? How much am I expecting? And what duration am I looking at? Is it short-term, mid-term, or long-term investment goal? And once this is settled, then you won't have issues because you know, oh, I'm building this thing for the next 10 years. I'm building this for the next 15 years or 20 years. And at the end of 20 years, okay, I can sit down and say, oh, I'm retiring from, my usual work and activities, whatever. Just want to sit down and begin to invest in something that will be bringing me money to live, enjoy myself, and do what God has sent me to do. You understand? So this is one of the things that works. This is one of the things that works. Get rich quick scheme don't offer sustainable and long-term wealth building strategy. They don't. So another thing that I see that works is that you need to learn to diversify your income streams. Diversify your income streams. I learned something from one of my business mentors, and that is how to invest in any investment portfolio. He says it doesn't look for short-term profit from any investment. That what it does is to do his business and then take profit from his business to invest in stock, in real estate for long term. And I look at it, I said, wow, that's a good one. You understand? So you need to understand how to diversify your income streams. If you are getting money or profit from this business, learn to take part of that profit to reinvest in your business and also use to invest in other instruments, either other investment vehicles. You understand that you know that you've studied, you've educated yourself about it. You understand? So because that will help you. Don't rely on just one source of income, whether it is a job, a business, or investments. No, don't rely on a source of income, even if you have the best job. No, if you have the best business that is making you money, don't rely on one stream of income. No, don't do that. When you have multiple streams of income, what that does is it protects you financially. To an extent, it will definitely protect you financially. And another thing that I also want to share with you is to build passive income. You know what passive income is? Passive income is something that you are doing by the side. Some people call it side hustle. Some call it side gigs. Whatever it is, learn to build passive income. Something that is bringing in little income. It might not be your major income, but that is even better than putting all your life savings in get rich quick schemes. Learn to focus to build passive income, because in fact it could be small dividends from shares that you are buying here and there. It could be income from something, your business that is maybe rental business. It could even be, digital product that you design, that you create once, and you keep selling it and it keeps bringing you money over time. And before you know, at the end of the year, you see that, oh, you've made so amount of money this year selling just this product, on this passive income business. Understand that wealth is not built overnight. Go and ask anybody. Oh, I want to be like Dangote. I want to be like Otedola. I want to be like Bill Gates. I want to be like George Soros, like Warren Buffett. Whoever you aspire to be in life, go and search and read their stories. You will realize that wealth is not built overnight. It's a process. It takes time, effort, and discipline. So lastly, be patient. When you hear about any investment opportunity, don't rush into it. Create time to study, to research, ask questions about it. Be patient, because they can tap into your impatience to lure you into get rich quick scheme that promises high returns on investment, and at the end of the day you'll be scammed. Be patient. Learn that real wealth is built over years, not overnight. The key is consistency and smart decisions. don't rush. Don't rush into any investment schemes or any investment opportunities. When you hear about anything, take your time, make research about it, and you will see that at the end of the day, you will discover some things that are not clear to you. Then you make decision, oh, is this what I want to do or what I wouldn't want to be part of? For me, there are some investment opportunities that I can't invest my money into it. There are some businesses that I cannot do. I have made up my mind. I've drawn the line that whatever happens, this line, I don't want to cross this line. And once I understand that, I have a lot of people that used to invite me to be on their board, to invest in these products, to join this team. I will just ask them, what is this all about? Give me some time. Let me sleep over it. Let me do my research. And once I am done, I'll let them know, oh, I am interested or I am not interested in this type of a thing. You also need that type of principle. You understand? So here is my final thought. Whenever you see an advert, it is promising you to get rich quick. Remember this, that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. You understand? And understand that real wealth requires time, effort, and solid strategy. I say solid strategy. Even those that have cracked the code of wealth creation still falls victim of scams. Yes, some of them falls. So avoid the scams and stick to proven methods, and you will be on your way to financial freedom. So if you found this content helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or a family member who might need this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building real wealth. I mean real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next episode. Bye bye.